Everybody, it's Mr. D at In the Middle, Mr. D1 at blogspot.com, and I created S-Cube sightseeing program a few years ago, and the word of mouth has spread quickly, and I'm super grateful. I want to take a moment, however, to tell people who are new to S-Cube, or people who are thinking about it, to never skip a step. When you purchase S-Cubed, do not buy level 2 if you have not done level 1. Don't buy lesson 5 and try to skip lessons 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is a process like gymnastics, and in gymnastics we have levels 1 through 10. I'm a gymnast former, that's why I have a busted shoulder and I'm getting it fixed right now as you speak. We don't go from level 1 to 5. We master the techniques and then we move to the next one. And if you follow the instructions step by step, you look at those teaching tip videos, I've tried to dot every I and cross every T so that you can progress one step at a time. And I think the best approach to this is to maybe look at the lesson the night before, or if you're a morning person, do it that morning. Peruse through the videos really quickly, like the videos that I made of the class. You can zip through that a little here and there, but the teaching tip videos, never ever skip. And don't skip any step within the process. Just go a little at a time, and the fruits of your labor will be enormous, and they will reflect the reason you purchased it in the first place, which is you saw the results of the teachers who are using it the way that it was intended to be used. All right, so I hope that helps you. Have a great day.